Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is an 18 by 24 inch canvas from Artist Loft, and I'm planning on just starting. So I'm going to use one of my favorite colors, Rhapsody Rose, and smear some things around and probably add some black to it. We'll see. But in the meantime, I think I want some of this Decor Americana 24 karat gold. I didn't know better than to leave that there by now. Getting the call to some cerulean blue. That's a lot more gold than I anticipated, but that's okay, because I'm not done yet. Maybe some tickled pink. And some dense fuchsia. This is my theory about how you start isn't as important as where you go from where you start. Whatever that happens to mean to you. Thinking I want orange, and that's weird, but that's okay. I'm having fun. This is definitely therapy time. I was thinking something else and it just left my mind. That's saffron. I wonder if the frozen amethyst would be good. I bet it would. Similar, but not the same as the color that I wanted. Good colors. Makes me want some turquoise. Who knows, the black may not even come about. It's the cerulean. Where do I want that? That's a good place for it. I'm almost happy that the Snapdragon didn't open. I think some red violet is in order. And some periwinkle. still want some black. I've got some paint in my dish. I forgot about that. It's from my last painting. That's a little Venetian blue in there. I think I like that. I think I've got filaments building up on the edge of my spatula, and I don't like that. That's going in the bucket. Alright, so I like the white. And if I put it down before the black, time for a clean spatula. Maybe the little one is best. Alright, how much time have I got left? I got just enough time to do something. I'm not sure what. Might be with the toothy tool. Probably shouldn't be with that. I want some more blue, which I have handy. Now I have a toothy tool. Well, I think that's it for right now. That was a lot of fun. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire in artwork. Linked here you'll find Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.